Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 3rd, and this is my analysis for the pound yen, and we're on the 4-hour time frame. So on the pound yen, we got this nice big impulsive down, which I still think is a wave A. We have what I think is one, two, three waves up for a wave B. I think there's a good chance this is actually going to go down to at least a 61% for a wave C of wave 4 before we potentially make a much bigger move to the upside. So keeping that in mind, taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, we have a nice big impulsive down. I am looking for one, two, three waves up to any one of these Fibonacci retracement levels and a nice engulfing move to the downside, which it looks like it could be trying to do now. Hopefully, it turns out to be a wave one, a wave two, and it makes a wave three, four, five to the downside, like I was showing on the 4 hour time frame, which is likely a one, two, three, four, five of wave C, probably down to at least that 61% Fibonacci retracement. So, anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.